श्योर आप लियो क्लब जरूर बनाएंगे और आपने प्रॉमिस दिया है कि मैं जुलाई में बनाऊंगा, तो जुलाई में जरूर बनाइए। अदर क्लब्स also can make a new Leo club. Leo club is very easy to be organized. Your club is your parent club for Leo. That is, you have to form your children can become Leo. Please note, your children can become Leo. Of course, everyone cannot be even Churchgate Club. The Churchgate Club, which has formed New Millennium Club, they are all parents are Churchgate Club members, and their sons and daughters are now the members of Millennium Clubs. Now, there are also some members who are married, and their children are also there in Millennium Clubs. You can form Leo Clubs. Why not? With the age of 10, 12, 13 years old, all those children can be formed part of the Leo clubs. So I am sure that Churchgate Club also will make a Leo club. Leo club. Millennium Club is a Lions Club, not a Leo club. So that we have to do it. Youth. That is the first step. Second, I want women membership, which is very much necessary. Today in our district we have got 37% women as a member, which is a quite good percentage compared to other districts. But I want that it should be made 40%, from 37% to 40%. I will not say 50% because the international president wants 50%, equal women and equal man. But practically I don't find it will be a possible, but at least make it 40%. So bring new women in our club. Secondly, bring resourceful person. Please bring those person who can afford the membership, can afford to give donation. If they cannot afford, please don't bring them. You just bring them because you are the president. When you become a president, you bring 5 members because you are the president. Moment you are no more president next year, all the 5 will go away. And it is possible that for all the 5 first members which you have brought in, you might have paid the fees for those that year. And that's why they might have come as a member in the club. So that is, everything is possible. So please don't do that. Bring a young person, tell them very clearly you have to pay this much. And I'm sure he can afford to pay that much. And secondly, he can afford to do some service activity. What is the purpose of joining the membership? So that is the aspect. Then recruiting new members with a meaningful community. Means the community today want new ideas. They are with the new service projects. Now they want that we should do this. So they would like to join the club, Lions Club. You should convince them that why don't you join the Lions Club? Those community members, they can do this service activity, and I am sure they will join our Lions Club, because you should not impose upon your service projects. Please note that, because what happens, some of the clubs have their own service projects, regular service projects, and with the same institutions, with the same organization, and they keep on doing. When the new members come, he has joined with the purpose that I want to do something in this area or something in that area. You don't allow. So senior members of the Lions Club also don't allow, which is practically possible in our district. So please see that, let him do what he wants to do. When you are taking him as a member, if he is good in administration, give him opportunity. Let him give the president post. Don't say that we are following hierarchy, means first vice district governor, then first vice president, then it will be president, first treasurer, first secretary, then he will become president. Not necessary. Today, I have found in many clubs, you don't find presidents. And you continue with the same president. Because, there is no one is available. Don't say that. You make it even a new member can even immediately become a president if he is really deserved to do administratively and he really is interested to. So please do that. Next. Release. This is a very important recognition and appreciation for the members and encouragement. Now you have brought the new members, but you don't appreciate him, don't recognize him, what he is doing. He will run away in the next year. We'll say nobody is caring for me, nobody is even appreciating what work I have involved. So please involve him, and after involve him, appreciate him, give the certificate, recognize him in front of the district members, in front of the club members. So at least he will have initiation and he will have motivation to work furthermore better way. Then new service areas, which is, I have told you, that new service areas to be done, don't continue the same old areas. And what is one more thing which I have found, that you have been doing a service activities in many organizations, many institutions, you don't find Lion logo. In spite of many clubs have done service project in that organization, in that institute, they never recognize, don't put the Lion logo. So this time I have made it compulsory that those big projects which will be carried out at institution, I will provide Lion and they will put the Lion's logo on that and put a condition in those institutions that you have to put Lion logo outside their institute building or outside whatever the room or service where you carried out. So it is necessary, because I don't find, I have seen many institutions and I never see Lions logo anywhere. Even in many cases I have found that other organizations are doing, their logos are there, but our Lions logo are not there. Please see that. Please do come to me, I will give Lion Edge. You know Lion Edge? Lion signboard. Signage you call it. I will give you, provided you are really doing a good project with a big institution for a big project. You should put, I don't say that you do just medical checkup and put logo, Lions logo. That is not so. You have to do what legacy project or permanent projects. If you do out, you come to me, I will give you logo. But the condition is that those institutions should be ready to put. Because they say, no, we will not put. Sometimes I have found that they are refusing to put even Lion logo. That should not happen. That is that. Secondly, as far as leadership development is concerned, which is very, very important, to identify the leaders and to give opportunity to serve and the leadership position. Now, which is very important. Now, what my plan is, I want each club, from each club I want to have a potential leaders to find out. One young and one senior. So from each club there will be two leaders who are potential leaders, which will be identified by us, by district, and we'll call them and we'll have that leadership seminars, or we'll have whatever that service leadership at even at district level, even at international level, at multiple level. There are leadership seminars are going on. Please do send them. Even I am ready to send them. But at least you first have in your leader. See, it should not happen. Leaders means what? In your club, some particular person is running the entire club. And he is there since many years. They are not leaders. They are not leaders. What I want, that you should have the leaders who can carry your club further. Your future you will see about your club. Don't say, because, see, I have got some of them complain me that mera jo